Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, do you wanna come see me? Silk press, rock the fly-ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be doing some cleaning, you guys. I have to clean my bathroom. I hate cleaning the bathroom. But anyway, that's what I have to do. And my bedroom too. I'm straightening up my bedroom. My bedroom wasn't that bad, and I'm going to vacuum. In this video, you guys, when I was doing my bedroom, I thought that the camera was in full view. However, it wasn't. So you'll basically get to see me making up the bed and doing a little bit of dusting on one side of the bed. But just know whatever I did on one side, I did on the other side. And then vacuuming, I think I did that off camera. But in the end, you'll see a nice little clip of the whole bedroom, you guys, and bathroom. I am so tired, you guys. I'm sorry for yawning, but my goodness, I've been woke since 5 and decided I'd get this stuff done early. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I'm going to edit this video so you guys get to see it today, which is, what is today? Friday. Today is Friday, the 4th or 5th of August. Yeah. So with that being said, just watch this video. I got my ass all tooted up to you guys. I'm just cleaning. I'm just trying to get it done, okay? I look bad, but guess what? In the next video, you'll see me doing a hair video. So you'll see the difference. I don't walk around my house. Sorry about that. I was trying to get through the voiceover without my phone, without it being interrupted. But guess who called? My son or my husband always call when I'm doing the voiceovers. But anyway, watch the video. I hope you guys like it. And the next video, you'll see me all glammed up. Oh, and I had to also add that all the products that I used for cleaning were Melaleuca products, and those products are all natural products, and they're environmentally friendly, and they don't aggravate my asthma. As you guys know, I've been struggling with my asthma for the last like 2 months. It's been really bad, and yeah, so. And I've been using the products for a while, but then because I was a distributor, but then I stopped being a distributor, and I said, you know, and I started using old stuff like pine saw, bleach, and all that stuff, which is really what I think attributed to my asthma being really messed up. So I went back to Melaleuca, and as I was cleaning, there was no coughing, my eyes wasn't burning. So I guess you can say I'm going to stick to Melaleuca. I'm going to stick to what's best for the environment and my body first and foremost. So yeah, with that being said, and I'll put pictures of the products that I used to clean up. Okay, guys, got this bathroom done. I swear I hate cleaning the bathroom. Getting in that shower to clean it. And the shower gets dirty the quickest. I'm sorry, all I have to do is clean the mirrors. You guys, this rug is just so fabulous. So fabulous. Now all I have to do is make up my bed and vacuum my room and dust. And then I am done. Here's where I told you guys I thought I was looking at the camera, and on the camera I could see the whole bedroom part, but then on the recording it's not showing everything. So whatever I did on this side of the bed, I for sure did on the other side too. Okay, you guys, and looking at this video, I see that all my whites look a different color white. I bought them at different times and they're different fabrics. So I might call this video 50 Shades of White, okay? This not dirty. Trust me, it's not dirty, because I will not be putting a video up here with some dirty white linen and stuff. So yeah, it was all bought at different times through different companies. And so yeah, they all look different shades of white. So it's going to be my 50 Shades of White. It's kind of cute though. I ain't tripping. But I know somebody going to be out there saying some shit. So guess what? I just have to clear that up. And I guess it's how the light hits it also. Again, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell. I know I said it before, but I'm saying it again, just for the people in the back row who couldn't hear me, okay? Anyway, you guys stay blessed.